Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration of machine learning based classification and prediction technique for DDOS attack. That is a DDoS. DDoS means distributed denial of service. What is meant by denial of service? Denial of service in the sense when you are doing some work, some people are not allowing you to do that work. That is called denial of service. For example, whenever you are getting a result will be published, you all are entering on the website and to accessing your university server. That is also one type of DDoS attack. More people are entering so that your server becomes crash. That is unknowingly you are doing, but purposely they will create the attack and make that the server will be down. Even for Google also faced this type of attack, Google servers. This paper is a latest February 2022. It is a early access paper, so that again new paper will come in future. Actually, in this project, what we are going to do means we have to do the data pre-processing, and we have to extract the features, and we have to do the data splitting, and after the data splitting, training data and test data, we have to train the model. After we train the model, for the trained model, we have to give the test data, and we'll get the output evaluation. We can able to do the things. Here the data set, it will have the very good data set. It is having the features. How many features are there means you can look. There are nearly 78 features are there. Benign and the DDoS attacks will be there. Total number of records will be it will be around 19,000 records are there. 19,000 records are there. It's a quite good data set. Then coming back to usually in DHS, we are developing a project with two technique. One is a Jupyter notebook. We are developing a language, the Python coding we are using. Another one is a Flask output. For the Flask output, we are going to use the front end design. For front end design, we are using the Flask output. With the help of the Flask output, we can able to do the attraction and testing part we can achieve with the Flask output. Now DDoS. I am going to do that the Jupyter notebook. In the Jupyter notebook, we are loading the data, we are doing the pre-processing work and train the model, test the model and save the model. That is happening in the Jupyter notebook. In the Jupyter notebook, you can able to see that we are importing the libraries, and we are loading the data set. And the data set is having a 19,000 records are there, 79 features are there. 79 features means 78 features. Last one is a column is for the labeling class, whether it's a benign or DDoS. You look that we are looking for the null value classification, and what we are going to do means we are dropping the null values. If any null values are there, we are dropping that, and luckily we got only one record only. We are dropping it, and duplicate records are there means we are removing the duplicate records also, so that it will be reduced to 18,937. Around 100 records will be dropped, and we are looking for the features. All are numerical features only. It will be good. Only the label, only the class features, so that we have to convert this benign and the DDoS into 0 and 1. We will convert that. It is a data or EDA, elaborative data analysis. The records DDoS attacks are nearly 10,000 will be there, and benign will be around 9,000 will be there. It is a good. It is not imbalanced data set. It is a good only, and we can see that the percentage DDoS is 52% and benign is a 47%. And we are converting the labels also. We are converting the zeros and ones. We are converting the label. Once converting the labels in zeros 1, the label will become 0. Now 10,000 records for attack and 8,937 records for the benign. One will be DDoS attack, 0 will be benign will be there. Then we are developing this project with we are doing data splitting, X train, Y train, X test, Y test. That you are aware of the thing. We are doing this splitting part. The split data visualization we are giving, and we developed this project with the two concepts. One is a adaboost classifier. In that adaboost classifier, we are getting the accuracy 99.76% accuracy we are getting. It is a classification report and the confusion matrix. And next approach, we are using logistic regression. In this logistic regression, we are getting 98% accuracy. Both the models is giving a very good accuracy, and we are saving that model, both the model. Then for the demonstration purpose, we are going with the front end. In the front end login screen, I will show you. You can able to go to the register. You can able to register yourself, or you can able to already registered means you can log in. I already registered, so that I am logging in. You logged in, and we keep it the test file. The test file means it is without label. We are keeping the test file. Okay, test data. We are going to do this project within a real time. We are going to do a project within real time. We are submitting the test file. You are seeing that it's a input data. Input data. We are not having the label column will not be there. Here this is the output data. In that output data, we are printing that whether it is a benign or DDOS attack like that. So that in real time, it is a proof of concept only we are doing this. In a real time also we are doing that using the circuit programming and the networking concept. We can able to do this concept, and we can able to block the IP address also. That is also possible. So that it is a very best project. It is one of the interesting thing. Here one more thing is a subdivisional attacks. We can able to do with that. In the DDoS attack only we are finding benign or DDoS only we are doing, but we are having subdivision attacks are there, like the Smurf attack, fragile attack, and the ping of death attack, like that multiple attacks things also in DDoS is there. That also we can able to achieve. So that it is a machine learning based classification and prediction technique for the DDoS attack we are doing. It is the latest project. So that in DHS Informatics, we are giving the projects with the very reasonable price, and we will help you until the last days of review. So that please contact us at 9845166723 or 9668892401, and we will give you the very quality report and the installation support, coding explanation, PPT, and support you until the last date of review with the nominal price. Hope you like this project. For more clarification detail, you can WhatsApp us, or you can able to walk in our office. Thank you for listening this video. I am signing off. Thank you.